What's up, everyone? This is my 2006 Toyota Camry LE, and I'm going on a quick little road trip over the weekend, and I'm taking it. This is probably the longest trip it's been on so far, so I just kind of wanted to show you what fuel economy looks like. So let's go ahead and fill it up and get on the road. Alright, so I'm pulling up to my location for the rest of the day, and I've got a 245.3 sitting at just above half a tank. So I'll probably be running some errands, doing some stuff, running around town, but yeah, 95% of this has been highway miles. So we'll see how it ends up. Alright, so it's the next day. I'm sitting at half a tank, 277 miles on it. It is 8:30, about to make a trip back home. So we'll see how it goes and when I need to fill up. All right, so it is the next afternoon, and I got back around midnight last night, and this is what we're looking at. 489 miles on the tank, and the light basically came on like a minute before I pulled into my house. So let's go ahead and take it to the gas station here in a couple hours and see what it looks like. All right, so we pulled into the gas station at 499.1. We're still here, didn't want to drive off just yet, but we did a total of 15.24 gallons. So let's do the math real quick and see what that looks like in terms of MPGs. So 499.1 divided by 15.24. Okay, so all in all, 32.74 miles per gallon is really good for an 18-year-old car, and plenty of elevation changes and windows open or AC on, and you know, some city driving as well. I'd say probably maybe 15%, maybe 10% of the miles were in the city, just stop and go, you know, driving through town and whatnot. But 32.74 miles per gallon, I think, is pretty impressive for a car like this. And honestly, I'm super satisfied with it. Could it have been a lot better? Yes, probably, if it was flat ground and there was, no wind, and, I was cruising, maybe 55 or 60, something like that. But, going 70, 75 and running the AC and going up a 6% grade where we're constantly downshifting, I don't think that's bad at all. So in case you were curious what the fuel economy on an 06 Camry looks like, that's what I'm working with. I'm sure there are people out there that get better, but that's what I got.